The support at Benchmark has been terrific. They've got some top-notch IT people there. Andy knows this stuff front and back, and so do the other people there at Benchmark.
My name's Andy Hicklin. I work at Benchmark Tool and Supply. I wear a lot of hats around Benchmark. One of them is most of the IT support. I've worked out of both our Concord and Raleigh offices for long durations of time, but regardless of what office I worked out of, I was able to provide network support for both of them through simple interfaces, remote desktop, and we kind of realized if I could support Benchmark remotely, we could do the same thing for these machines. iSight allows us to be able to remote in, to walk them through and show them directly on the screen what the process is, to show them how to check to make sure the equipment is working right. We generally resolve issues in 15 minutes or less, and actually half of all iSight calls last less than 5 minutes, and our customers are back up and running.